What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. Out here at my favorite spot, the little spillway today. Wakarusa River here. We're gonna get over here to the little spillway, see if we can catch some bait, bring it back out here to the main river channel, see if we can find some river monsters. Let's go. Just got a worm on a bobber. Throw it here in this little spillway. Usually a little bluegill and or sunfish. There we go. Perfect. All right, so this one I got on a bobber. I just hook him right here in the back on the bobber. I'm just gonna let him sit in here so we can catch another one real quick. There we go. Perfect. Number 2 is a little bigger. Be a good size for cut bait. Let me get the hook out. Okay. And then this guy, I'm gonna hook him right here too in the same spot. We're gonna use him for some cut bait though. So once we get over there, I'll cut him up. But to make it a little easier to carry, something like that. This guy. Alright, now we just gotta go on back out there. Alright, we made it back over here. Alright. This one on the bobber. Take this. Right here in the middle. Grab a rod holder. Prop him up. And then I'll take this guy. All right. All right, we got the piece of that other bluegill cut up on a sinker. Just toss this out here. Got one on the bobber, one on a sinker. Let's go. One on. Swimming towards me though. What is it? Oh, just a little gar. I hope you guys saw that. He was swimming at me. Come on, we gotta land one of these dudes. Already getting messed with again. Oh yeah, there's one on there. Trying to tangle up the other line. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's tangled up the other line too. Got him though. Alright. Here's the first fish of the day. Nice little gar. Not too big. I think it's the same one that's been messing with my bait here for the last 5 minutes or so. Finally got him. He took it 3 times. Finally got that puppy though. But he swallowed it all the way down too, so I had to go on ahead and cut him off. I had to retie. Whoa, whoa, chill out, buddy. Hey, wrong way, wrong way. Go that way. All right, I got this retied up. Another piece of bluegill head on here. And throw this out there. All right, so the bite slowed down over there. Just tie me a little jig ups. Come over here in the little spillway part, see if we can find something up in here. Got something on it. Swimming at me. What is this? Catfish. Oh, all right. Yes. All right, there's fish number 2. Just a little channel catfish. He got gut hooked. And this other one is going off over here too. Yep, something's on here. Oh, it came off. There was something on it. It was swimming at me. Back out there. This dude's gonna go on a stringer because he got gut hooked pretty good. And because he's a catfish. And they taste good. This one's on again. Yep. Oh, this one feels bigger. Swimming at me again. Come on. This one feels bigger. What is this? Another channel cat? Oh, he's digging. I don't want to give up just yet. Oh yeah, get on up here, buddy. It's inevitable. Can't fight it. Oh yeah. right. Fish number 3. Little Spillway delivers again. It's a nice sized channel catfish. He'll be going on the stringer too. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. It's been about an hour and a half since I caught a fish. Sun's going down. I'm gonna call it a day there. We got a couple bites in the last hour and a half, but no takedown, so we're gonna call it a day there. I was able to catch 2 catfish, 2 nice sized keeper catfish, and then a little small gar, so not too bad of a day all in all. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.